pretty much every program we've made, when we've taken user input, the user types something in this text box and then they press a button. And that's fine, but we can actually make it easier for the user. We don't actually need that button. We can get that input as soon as they type it in. And we've used this event before. It's all in the TextChanged event. So in this demonstration, let's say the user was giving us a month. So if I go into my code, maybe I'll create a month variable to hold what month it is that they're going to give me. So normally what I would do is I'd have a button, and when the user clicks the button, I would take that text from the text box and store it. But I don't want them to click a button. That's too slow. I want to get that month as soon as they type it in. So I should rename this to TXB month, and I don't need this button. However, what I do need is if I click on the text box, I can add a TextChanged event. And we've worked with TextChanged events before. Anytime something gets typed in here, this code fires off. Anytime something gets deleted in here, this code fires off. So anytime this text box is used, any code I write in here happens. So I could say month is equal to whatever text they have inside that text box. So we won't see much, but as soon as I type in anything in this text box, such as H, that has been stored in month. Month is equal to H. As soon as I type in October, as soon as I start to type in October, this is all being stored. Oct is being stored. Okay, now Octo is being stored. Okay, now October is being stored. You see the point? It's always being stored as soon as I type in here. And if you don't believe me, well, watch this. I could make an if statement to check if the month is equal to January. So if they type in January, I could update my program. I could say, that's a really cold month. Or, I'll say Happy New Year. That's more positive. And if they don't type January, I'll have an else case to handle. And I'll say, I don't know what that month is. So a very simple if statement. I'm checking if it's January. If it's not January, then I do this. So watch. As soon as I type in a month, I'm gonna type in J. I don't know what that month is. I don't know what month is J. But as I get closer to actually typing, boom, all of a sudden it switches. And then if I delete something, I don't know what that month is. I don't know what the month January is, but I do know what January is. So this is something you can do just like we've done before. We've talked about making your programs nice and user-friendly. It doesn't get much user-friendly than this. As soon as every time I type, I'm getting feedback. And of course, I could set up other months such as March or all that stuff, but just for demonstration purposes, I think this makes the most sense.